Okay, this is one of my favorite places to go biking by because as a child, one of my favorite shows was Little House on the Prairie, and you may know where I'm going with this. And every time I go by this, I start humming the song, The Little House on the Prairie, like I'm rolling down the meadow. Do, 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 do. Come on, sing it with me. All right, also, Michael Landon, hello, smoking hot. So sad that he passed away. But yeah, Little House on the Prairie, right here in my backyard. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Da-na-na. Hey, and how cool at the top of the meadow, we have a sign, Benefits of Meadows. Common wildlife in meadows, red-winged blackbird, yep, see them all the time, Easter tiger swallowtail, bumblebee, I love bumblebees, goldenrod, yep, here we are, gorgeous meadow.